Morning, grade 3. It's Wednesday. Hope you had good practice with your time and your times tables. I hope everyone's learning their tables. This is now Wednesday and we are doing our shapes, parents. This is a lovely box of shapes. I'm not quite sure where you could get it from, but you can try P&A or perhaps the plastic shops and see if they don't have that. It's a nice box. Right, let's get started. Right, boys and girls, we're going to do 3D shapes today, and you can see in front of me I've got two shapes and two shapes. Now, Ma'am has separated them a little bit because you can see just a little bit of why I've now separated them. This one and this one looks exactly the same. They have the same amount of sides, and both of them have equal sides. But these two, you can see they are shorter on one side and longer on the other side. So we know that these are square sides and these are rectangular sides. So we call this a cube, big cube, small cube, and we call this a rectangular prism and a rectangular prism. But now I can see that all of those four are a box shape. They're all a box shape. They're different box shapes, but they're all a box shape. So when I learn the sides, the faces, the edges and the corners, the vertices, I can see that all four are actually going to have the same amount. So I'm going to hold the big one and we're going to talk about the big one. So let's start counting the faces first. One face, two faces, three faces, four faces, five faces, six faces. So all of those shapes have six faces. Now I'm going to do the edges. Now I'm going to hold it still so that you can see how Ma'am's doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. And then the sides. 9, 10, 11, 12. All of these shapes here have got 12 edges. And lastly, let's do the vertices. What is the vertices again? It's the corner. 1 vertices, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. Now, all of these shapes, whether it's a cube or a rectangular prism, has the same shape. Right, good. Okay, so we're going to carry on looking at different shapes. These are both, who knows what they're called? Yes, they're cylinders. One smaller one and one bigger one. Let me just use the big one for now, but you'll know that both of these have the same. Right, so let's do faces first. It's got one long face that goes all the way around. So 1, and then 2 and 3. So oh, I forgot to ask you, what shape is this? Yes, it's a cylinder. So 1, 2, 3 faces for a cylinder. And then it's got one edge, 2 edges for a cylinder. Does it have any vertices? No, it doesn't have any vertices. Right, take those away. And let's have a look at this shape. Now this shape is what? A cone. Good. Let's see what faces it has. It has one face that's continuous, 1, and then it has 2. So it has 2 faces. Does it have any edges? Yes, 1 edge. Does it have any vertices? Yes, 1 vertices. Okay, so that's the properties of a cone. Now, Ma'am's got 2 pyramids there. They're both called pyramids. In actual fact, that one's a bit upside down. They're both called pyramids, but they are different. How do we know they are different? Because at the bottom, the one has a triangle and the one has a square. So this one is a square-based pyramid. This one is a triangular-based pyramid. So they will be different. Let's look at the square first. Okay, faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices, and 1, 2, 3, 4, careful, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. Now the other one is smaller because it's only got 3 points. Okay, it's a triangular base pyramid, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, vertices, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. Okay, you go and practice. You'll look in your book and on the very nice PowerPoint that Miss Drake made with the shapes. Have a look at the different shapes and what they're used for. Enjoy your work. Bye-bye.